Hi, I'm Dr. Robin Berzin, and I'm the founder and CEO of Parsley Health. A common misperception about Parsley Health is that you can't use your health insurance, and in fact, that's not true. You absolutely can use your benefits. Many of our members get out-of-network reimbursement, some up to 70% back. Many of our members use their FSA and HSA benefits and pay for their membership with tax-free dollars. In addition, your health insurance covers many of the diagnostic tests that we order. And it's important to remember that Parsley Health, that there's no copay. So that $40 to $60 or more that you pay every time you see the doctor, we don't have here. Your visits are included. So you absolutely can use your benefits at Parsley Health. And again, for some of our members, they get so much back that the net effective price is as low as $30 a month. Now, we don't accept insurance directly here at Parsley Health because we offer a new model of care. We spend over an hour with you in our first visit compared to the 15 minutes a year most people spend with their PCP. We prescribe nutrition, sleep protocols, mental health, physical fitness, supplements. We offer in-depth diagnostic testing, and we include health coaching in your program, as well as unlimited access to us online 365 days a year. There is no service like this that is covered today by insurance. We plan to change that at Parsley Health. But today, make sure that you're talking to your Parsley Health team about submitting for out-of-network reimbursement.